Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Excel tips and tricks. My favorite of all are these tricks that not only make you fast and efficient but can save you a lot of time. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again to the video, and what we are going to learn today is something really special. We are going to learn Excel tips and tricks that can save us a lot of time. So not wasting much time, simple, I will show you. This is one data, a range of data, and simple. If I want, suppose, to filter, what do? Normally I go here, then Control Shift L, then maybe gender, male, female. So this is the long cut. What we can do is very simple. Simply press Alt and 6, and you can see, since I was standing on male, the male filter worked, and similarly if I stand on female, Alt 6, the female filter is working. Or if I stand on website, Alt 6, or any other place, you can see this works perfectly. So how I did this is very simple. This is known as the quick access toolbar. So what we can do is we can add the options here whenever we are using it very frequently. So we'll go to customize quick access toolbar and more commands, and here you have to be very careful to choose commands not in ribbon. These are special commands which you will not find in the ribbon, but you can adjust them in the quick access toolbar. So what we will find is auto filter. I am not talking about filter or anything, but auto filter. So this way we can add it here, but you can see that I have already added it. One thing you have to note down is the sequence in which you are adding. Suppose my auto filter is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so I will remember 6 and then OK. So now whenever I am standing at any place and simply pressing the Alt key, you will see all this got activated, and since our was at number 6, I will simply press 6 and our filter is working. Control Z, and suppose we are standing at website, the Alt 6 is working perfectly. So this can save you a lot of time of choosing. Trick number 2, suppose we are typing any formula, and here suppose ID 5 is there, 73, ID 15, 20 serial. You can see there are a lot of IDs, and what I want is that ID 17. So what we will do is equal to VLOOKUP this comma this, and whenever we are going down, my point is that you cannot see the formula where we are typing. So normally we can see it here, but if you want to go above, there is a special shortcut, Control plus backspace. With this shortcut key, you can come up above and very conveniently type whatever you need without any much error. So this not only works in formula, even when we are selecting a range of cells. Suppose I am not doing any formula but just going down, but I want to go up and see what happened. So Control plus backspace works beautifully. You will just be dragged at the top of the table where you were writing or wherever you were standing. So this trick can be handy at times when you are writing formula or something, and that time you want to go to above in spite of the fact that your drag range was too below. Trick number 3. So suppose these are the sales representative and the holiday that they have taken. Varsha has taken 6 holiday here, and we can see again Varsha has taken 2 holiday, again 2 and 6. Similarly, Suresh has taken 8 holidays here, again Suresh has taken 7. So all this we want in one row. So how you can do is with a combination of formula. First I will type the if formula, equal to if this equal to this, comma, here I want all this, comma, if it's blank I simply need blank, and I will close the formula. So you can see 6226, but this is not what we want. Similarly we can get for other things, but we need to rectify it in such a way that we get like this 6226. So what we can do is simple, use another formula or nested formula, text join. So text join I will use, and on the basis of blank space, so I will just give this and this. And what to do of the empty cells, I want to ignore the empty cells, so I will write true and comma, and at the end I will simply close the formula, and you can see that we get perfectly 6226. and similarly 2, 8 to 7. And if we want to give a comma between them, then instead of space we can give just one comma, and you can see it will work perfectly. So now we have achieved what we wanted with the help of if and text join formula, and this can be helpful at times. Trick number 4. Suppose we have the same thing here. I will copy 6226, and now what we want is in different columns. So this can be done beautifully by using another nested function which is known as text split. And what I will do is the text that we want to split and the delimiter is a comma, and simply close the bracket, and within a fraction of a second you can see you can get it beautifully. So combination of formulas is amazing if you are working on Microsoft Excel. You simply need to know the syntax, and for this I have already given the video where we can know the syntax very easily. Trick number 5, which is my personal favorite. So in relation to visibility of a sheet, we have 3 options. This is the normal visible sheet. Now suppose I want to hide it. So what we can do is simply press right click and hide. So this way the trick is hidden, but it is very easy to unhide. So this way it is of no use hiding. The third one is amazing where normal users cannot detect it, which is very hidden. So how to activate this option? Simple right click and we will go to view code. So this looks complicated window, but don't worry, this is not at all complicated. It is the Visual Basic window, so don't be afraid of looking at it. Simple, here you will get the codes and everything. So here we look at the sheet. Suppose I want to hide the formula sheet. Okay, so what I can do is visible, you can see visible, hidden and very hidden. As soon as I choose very hidden for the sheet formula, you can see it's very hidden. And now if I close it, now if anybody wants to unhide it, it will not be shown unless they are knowing of this trick, which is Alt F11 and this. If they are Excel smart user, then they can detect it. Otherwise many of the sheets go invisible like this, and you can do a lot of things with this trick. So bonus trick for the day is that you can use a very simple function but very powerful function, Control G and special. This can also be accessed by going to home and find and select, go to special. So this I will say is very underutilized, but today 2-3 things I can show you which can help you a lot. Okay, so we will choose this. How we will go now? Suppose there is the thing that sales is there and commission 0.5%, but there is a lot of data. So how do we do the audit? Simple, choose this Control G special. I want to see that although it was the formula, if there are any constant value, so within a fraction of a second I can simply type constant, whether I want number, text, logical error, I want all, whatever I want. Suppose I just want numbers. So if I choose this, I can see that it is highlighting something, and if I just color them, I can see that in the guise of formula, this is a text or direct constant value written, whether it is 200 or 2000 or 2 lakh, Excel can detect it in seconds. Not only this, I want to detect some other thing. Again I want to go to special and constant. This time I want to select if there is any text within numbers. So text, if I select, you can see some things are getting highlighted. Again, for the sake of easiness, I will simply color it, and you can see that all the text portion, this is the text. You can see 3861. If I do this 3861, it is not doing anything because this is a proper text format. So all these things you can also try more. Again I will show home, find and select, go to special, and here you can find a lot of things. Blanks I've already shown many times. Formulas in constant sheet, if you want to find if there is any formula, you can find. Objects I have already shown. If you want to find that anything is diagram or something, then you can find it with objects. So I hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to like this video, and also let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. Share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel for continuous AI, Excel and productivity tips. See you in the next video.